Alright, welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over the regulation of the Krebs cycle. Thank you so much for 2,000 subscribers. You guys are insane. 1,000 subscribers over a week? Nuts. Alright, let's begin. So we need a way to stop the Krebs cycle or boost it when needed. So you're probably thinking to yourself, why the fuck would I want to do that? That sounds, Kishan, you're an idiot, you're stupid, why would you ever want to do that, right? Krebs cycle helps us make energy, why would you want to stop it? Well, there are a few reasons. Here's one. If we have enough energy, right, enough energy in your body, our electron transport chain is working perfectly fine, we have a surplus of energy, why would you want to waste more resources to just shove into the Krebs cycle when we can actually use it for other bodily functions? Why waste substrates to make more energy when we already have enough, when we can actually use those substrates for other bodily functions? And those functions, which I'll go in actually in the next video, it'll be a short, interesting video. Another reason is a reactive oxygen species. This is going to blow your mind. If you don't know what a reactive oxygen species is, that's completely fine. Let me explain it. A reactive oxygen species is basically a reactive oxygen. So normal oxygen would have, 8 electrons like this. A reactive oxygen species would have 7. This is also known as an oxygen radical. This is really dangerous to our bodies. The reason is the oxygen radicals can actually go and bind to our tissues. What is going on? Come on. Bind to our tissues and cells. Okay? And if this happens, it kind of infects the cells, infects the tissues. This is how cancer is caused. This is one of the ways cancer is caused. Now, your body has mechanisms to fight this, okay? But if it's too much excess oxygen radicals, then it could be a bad thing, and you can actually get cancer. Now, here's something even cooler. I'm sure you've heard about antioxidants sometime in your lifetime. Fruits, vegetables have antioxidants. But have you ever wondered what the name is actually saying? Antioxidants actually mean something. There's a literal translation to it. So let me write out here. Antioxidants. Antioxidants literally translates to antioxygen radicals. That's where the name, I'm not even joking. I'm not bullshitting you guys. This is actually where the name comes from. Antioxidants literally means antioxygen radical. So what would happen is if you eat these fruits with antioxidants, it would come along and basically eat up this oxygen radical and eliminate it. Pretty cool, right? So this is why antioxidants are really important. Now, why would you want to boost it? Why would you want to boost the Krebs cycle? Well, one reason is the sympathetic system. So say if you are running away from a murderer, or I say that casually, or if you're afraid of a test or something like that, you're nervous, epinephrine's in your body. Well, if epinephrine's in your body, you're about to use a lot more energy. Your muscles are going to start using energy. Your lungs are going to start using more energy. Your heart's going to start using more energy. If you need more energy, you need to run the Krebs cycle more and boost it up. So this is why. It's the sympathetic system. So let's go over the methods. It's actually quite simple. So one way, now first I want you to know that all the rate limiting steps where basically the Krebs cycle is controlled from are all non-reversible reactions. So you'll notice, here's a non-reversible reaction. This is a non-reversible reaction. This one too. And that is where all the controlling steps are. So let's begin. The first one, if we have too much citrate in our body, it's actually going to go over and inhibit step 1 so it doesn't happen. So we stay in this acetyl-CoA state, in this oxaloacetate state. They stay as normal. We don't go make more citrate. Pretty simple. Okay, that's the first step, or one of the methods. Another way is if we have too much succinyl-CoA, this will go back and inhibit this step here from alpha-ketoglutarate to succinyl-CoA. So it's going to go backwards, right, and basically affect this, that step, this step right here, and basically say, hey, stop working. Okay, so it'll freeze. So alpha-ketoglutarate will stay as it is. It will not be converted to succinyl-CoA. Now, succinyl-CoA needs to be in high concentration. So you have too much high concentration of succinyl-CoA, this is what's going to happen. Another thing is NADH. If we have too much of these electron carriers, fully reduced electron carriers, it's going to go along and pause this same step. So alpha-ketoglutarate will stay as it won't be converted to succinyl-CoA. Now, succinyl-CoA will also, just in case, if it didn't stop it here and we still have too much, it's going to go over and stop step 1 here. Okay? This is all memorization, basically. But the easy way is just knowing that wherever there's a one arrow, like only one-sided arrow here, and not like equilibrium arrow like this, it's where it's going to stop. Now, if we have too much ADP, not ATP, but ADP, right? This means that we are lacking energy. So this what's going to do is going to boost this up. It's going to upregulate this and make this work faster, pump out more electrons, which will go to the electron transport chain for more ATP. Calcium will also do the same thing. Now, calcium is released through the epinephrine, right? So through the sympathetic system, we'll get more calcium being released into our bloodstream and tissues. If this is so, it will also boost this step right here from isocitrate to alpha-ketoglutarate. Calcium will also do it here at alpha-ketoglutarate to succinyl-CoA. We really need to boost all of this up so we can get all the way here to make more NADH, because if we're stressed out or running away for something, our sympathetic system is activated, we need more energy, right? Our muscles will be using more energy, our heart will be using more energy, our lungs will be using more energy. That is why. And that's basically it. Sorry, my pressure cooker is going off. But that's it. That's the regulation of the Krebs cycle. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Until next time, later.